All right, so the first thing, let's start off with the config file here. So this is stuff that you would need to change for your setup. So if you're getting this code or you're following along here, these are the things that you need to change. The whitelist, maybe not so much, but if you're going to add fields to the form outside of this kind of math check here for spam, if you're going to add any other field to this form, you need to add the name of that field here as well to whitelist that field. Otherwise, the script won't process it. So that's just kind of a security thing. We just whitelist the fields that we want to allow through. Next, we have our from name. So who the emails, when the email goes out, the name that it's going to be from, the email address that it will be sent to. Okay, so we want to have that here. We want to have our subject line for our email addresses. So new contact form submissions here. And then we have our table that we're using. So this is the name of our table here. We have our database name. So in this case, it's the snippets table like I showed you, the username, the password, and the localhost. Again, or the host. This, most cases will be localhost. It's pretty rare that it's not. I think GoDaddy is one where it's a little bit different. You'll just have to check with them if you're on GoDaddy. You'll have to go in there and they give you a special kind of URL to use. It's kind of weird, but they're one of the few that I know of. Most cases you can leave this. So most of this stuff, though, you're going to have to come in and change in the config file. So keep that in mind. Hopefully you're enjoying the course up to this point. Now, if you'd like to keep going and finish it off, all my courses are available on Skillshare. And not only will you get access to all of my courses, but over 20,000 others on web design and web development, freelancing, graphic design, online marketing, and more. And it's all for just $10 a month. And as a teacher on Skillshare, I can give you a 2-month free trial. You'll get full access to the entire library of courses, and you can cancel at any time before the trial is up, and you'll never be charged a penny. To learn more and to start your 2-month free trial, head on over to johnmorrisonline.com/Skillshare.